Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Sick Moron. So today I'm going to be collaborating with Ace King for the Insane Memory Challenge. For those of you who don't get the idea,
Let me
Ace
explain.
King will explain this.
It goes like this. I'm going to say one name, example, Mr. Beast. And then Sick Moron has to continue that same line. So, Mr. Beast, face up. I continue the pattern. Mr. Beast, face up, name another. Like that, you have to name the branch or anything and continue. And if you mess up, that person gets a punishment. Either it's
Yeah,
going
that's
to
how we
be
make
a
it more interesting.
very brutal truth, it's going to be a brutal dare. So, basically, there are 3 rounds. And let's see who wins.
Yeah, there are 3 categories: YouTubers, brands, and the final one is films. So without any further ado, let's begin. Let
Idea.
Ace King begin since he's the
I'm
guest
thinking of a
host.
number. Okay,
Ace King.
I'll begin. Let's go for with YouTubers, and I'm gonna go for Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast, Phase Rug.
Mr. Beast, Face Rock, Pokemon.
Mr. Beast, Phase Rug, Pokemon. PewDiePie.
Mr. Beast, Face Rock, Pokemon, PewDiePie, Sniper Wolf.
Mr. Beast, Phase Rug, PewDiePie. I'm thinking of, okay, so I have to choose between either a day or a secret.
Or a secret. Come on, what do you
Secret
choose?
is
Something embarrassing or any secret you kept which you did not tell anyone.
so something embarrassing is that I think I remember when I was around 4 or 5 years old, I saw a toy and I cried for it, and I was rubbing the tears wait, on my father's hands. Turns out it was someone else. It was the wrong person, man. That guy's still getting post-traumatic stress disorders. So this is the second round. Brands.
I'll let you go first.
Okay. McDonald's,
McDonald's, Burger King.
McDonald's, Burger King, Hardee's.
McDonald's, Burger King, Hardee's, Pizza Hut.
McDonald's, Burger King, Hardee's, Pizza Hut. Domino's.
McDonald's, Burger King, Hardee's, Pizza Hut, Domino's, Papa John's.
McDonald's, Burger King, Hardee's, Pizza Hut, Domino's, Papa John's, Colgate.
McDonald's, Burger
This is
King.
brands, not food chains only. We were doing food for so long. We're so hungry, let's go out.
McDonald's, Burger King, Hardee's, Pizza Hut, Domino's, Papa John's, Colgate, Sensodyne.
What?
Sensodyne.
Okay. He's making toothpaste instead of
Sensodyne.
Okay, McDonald's, Burger King, Hardee's, Pizza Hut, Domino's, Papa John's, Colgate, Sensodyne, Close Up. This is not going to end well for sure, man.
Okay. McDonald's, Burger King, Hardee's, Pizza Hut, Domino's, Papa John's, Colgate, Sensodyne, Close Up, Nike.
Am I going to do I guarantee you the next one is going to be clothing brands. We're going to go to Gucci and Louis Vuitton next. That will be easy to remember. McDonald's, Burger King, Hardee's, Pizza Hut, Domino's, Papa John's, Colgate, Sensodyne, Close Up, there, Nike, and Adidas.
McDonald's, Burger King, Hardee's, Pizza Hut, Domino's, Papa John's, Colgate, Sensodyne, Close Up, Nike, Adidas, Pumas.
It's so easy now to remember my memory because I'm going by food, toothpaste, shoes. Next, I'm going to clothes. I'm definitely remembering McDonald's, Burger King, Pizza Hut, and all of that stuff. I'm going to remember before my turn.
Come on.
McDonald's. Okay, McDonald's, Burger King, Hardee's, Pizza Hut, Domino's, Papa John's, Colgate, Sensodyne, Close Up, Nike, Adidas, Pumas, okay, and
Pumas, okay.
Gucci.
I'm laughing at the fact you said Pumas instead of Puma.
Bro, I'm so confused. I'm so stressed
Okay.
out. This is turning out to be tough.
McDonald's, Burger King, Hardee's, Pizza Hut, Domino's, Papa John's, Colgate, Sensodyne. I said Colgate. Is that Colgate?
No, before that, what did you say?
Papa John's,
Okay,
Colgate.
please say.
Okay. Papa John's, Colgate, Sensodyne, Close Up, Nike, Adidas, Puma, Gucci, Louis Vuitton.
This guy's not stopping on. Before we move on any further, I just want to apologize for Ace King's Finfair background. I'm really sorry. McDonald's, Burger King, Hardee's, Pizza Hut, Domino's, Papa John's, Colgate, Sensodyne, Close Up, Nike, Adidas, Puma, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Gap.
You said Gap?
I said Gap. Gap.
You said Gap. Gap. Okay, Gap. Gap. McDonald's, Burger King, Hardee's, Pizza Hut, Domino's, Papa John's, Colgate, Sensodyne, Close Up, Nike, Adidas, Puma, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Gap, Chanel. Did I
What?
pronounce that right?
Share.
Chanel.
Okay, Chanel.
Did I pronounce it correct? I pronounced it
Yeah,
right?
my God. This is lasting twice as the previous one. The first one didn't even last for 30 seconds. Where
Zero
YouTubers are
for 1
supposed to
hour.
remember YouTubers' names. McDonald's, Burger King, Hardee's, Pizza Hut, Domino's, Papa John's, Colgate, Sensodyne, Close Up, Nike, Adidas, Puma, Gap.
Let's go! I win again.
Okay, at least this lasted longer. At least I lasted
This
longer
last-
here.
That take more than 15 minutes. You lasted longer. Okay. What do you choose? Secret or something called Dare?
I choose secret.
Secret? Okay.
The secret is that when you're in school, right,
Hmm.
you lose your pen.
Yeah. That happened to everyone.
Of course, but here's the thing. I would take people's pens only to not return them. I just felt it was a little bit more fair. And I just felt, like things were like everything is leveled up now. So the final round is films. I'll let Ayush begin.
Let's see. Films. Let's go with simple. War.
War, Inception,
War. Reception. Aladdin.
you lost. What the hell is reception?
Oh.
You said reception. What the hell is
Wait,
reception?
you said what is that?
I said inception. You said reception.
Then what did you say?
I said inception. You said reception.
Inception.
What is reception? Okay, first
Hmm.
dare or secret? Anything. Which one you choose?
I'll go put there.
You're in the kitchen right now, right? Now you have chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay. Take a chocolate bar, dip it in
No.
water, and drink it like that.
Okay. Dip it and drink the water.
Yeah, drink the water. No, actually, take a piece of bar of chocolate, break it, and you put it in the water.
And drink it.
I can't believe you. You don't have to do this if you want, but
I'll do it.
oh,
Your guy, Ace King is back. Bringing the stuff. This is chocolate. Now you didn't say which chocolate, okay? So I brought this small sandwich.
it's okay. It's okay. Whatever you want, just put chocolate in water and drink it.
And just to show you, I'm not cheating. I'm gonna put water in this one. 4 bottle vodka.
Shit, he's actually going to do this.
Okay, that much is enough.
Okay. I never thought I'd be disgusted, but okay, I'm gonna be disgusted.
Water.
Ready? Oh my god, he did it. Okay. How does it taste, by the way? Nice combination. I got
I
to try
think-
it.
If I took it something else, no. If some other chocolate if I took, it would have tasted bad, but this one actually tasted good. It's like water is behind. I mean, in the surrounding. You put chocolate. It cools the chocolate down. Makes chocolate more chocolate.
Okay. Disclaimer warning. Please. Okay, so that was it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Ace King Official and Ace King. He has 2 channels. I'm so confused how many channels he has right now. Anyways, I'll leave all his channels links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to him. And don't forget to subscribe to me. Peace.
Don't forget to subscribe to Sick Moron. 100 goal. Peace out.
Yeah, please do it. Let's do it this.